Hello everyone, myself Professor S.K. Sonone from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik, Department of Plant Pathology. Today's presentation topic under the course MyBo 111 and course title is Introductory Microbiology. Credits 1+1. Today's presentation topic is bacterial growth, growth curve and phases. First one, we will see bacterial growth. What is meant by bacterial growth? Bacterial growth is defined as an increase in cell number in a given unit time. How much cell number are increased in a given unit time is called as bacterial growth. The bacterial cell is a synthetic machine that able to duplicate itself. More than 2000 chemical processes were produced occurred during the one cell become two. At the time of multiplication of bacterial cell, at more than 2000 chemical processes were occurred. In bacteria, the increase in the population is by geometric progression. What is meant by growth rate? Increase of bacterial cell number per unit time is referred as a growth rate. What is meant by growth rate? Increase of bacterial cell number per unit time is referred as growth rate. Then what is meant by generation? The interval of formation of daughter cell from parental cell is called as generation. Generation means interval between daughter cell and parental cell. Then generation time. What is meant by generation time? Time required to form two daughter cells from a single cell is called as generation time. This is also called as doubling time. The next one, bacterial growth, growth curve and phases. This is the graph of bacterial growth curve. This graph is called as bacterial growth curve. This is the curve. Four phases are occurred during bacterial curve. First one, lag phase, log phase. Log phase is also called as exponential phase. Then stationary phase and decline or death phase. Next one is growth. Growth term is commonly applied to bacteria and other microbes. Growth refers to increase in total population, increase in numbers, rather than increase in size or mass of an individual organisms. Bacteria multiply at a very rapid rate. For example, Escherichia coli completes one generation in every 17 to 20 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius temperature. Then this is the actual growth curve and phases. That is first lag phase, log phase, stationary phase and death or decline phase. This topic is most important for your final exam. First phase is lag phase. In lag phase, what will occur? Unchanged or constant population. No cell number is increase or decrease, constant population is there. Then in the log phase or exponential phase, cells are divided steadily at a constant rate. Cells are multiply. In a lag phase, no multiplication, no cell multiplication is there. But in log phase or exponential phase, cell divides steadily or rapidly at a constant rate. Then in case of stationary phase, cell populations constant, reproduction rate and death rate is constant, nutrient exhaustion is completely. Then last is death or decline phase. Death rate, reproduction rate, production of inhibitory products. Death rate and reproduction rate is reduced and death rate is start. Assuming a single bacterium has been inoculated to a liquid medium and the bacterium start multiplying by binary fission gives increase population. If we plot a graph of log 10 value of population against time, a Pickel graph will get. This graphical representation is referred as growth curve of bacteria. The curve can be divided in 4 phases. We will already see that 4 phases. In the beginning, the growth increase, the population will not occur, leads to straight line called lag phase. Then the cells start multiplying, give linear line, that is log or exponential phase, followed by the straight line called stationary phase, and then decline linear line, death phase or decline phase. First phase we will see in the detail. What is the first phase occurred? After inoculation, individual cells increase in their size. Only increase cell size, not cell numbers. Physiologically, cell become active and synthesize protoplasm and deficient enzyme and coenzymes. Cell only increase in cell size and deficient in enzymes and coenzymes. Cells also require some time for adjustment to new physical environment. Cell also required some time for physical adjustment in the new environment. Through there is active metabolism. Cell division do not occur for some time. Such a lag period is called as lag phase. At the end of the lag phase, some cells divide and therefore there is a gradual increase in growth curve. Then second phase, logarithmic log phase or exponential phase. In this phase, bacterial cells multiply rapidly by binary fission at constant rate. We will see in the lag phase no cell multiplication, only cell elongation or cell increase in size. But in log phase, bacterial cells multiply by rapidly by binary fission in constant rate. The portion of curve is linear and has a constant generation or doubling time. Doubling time and generation is constant. All the cells are uniform in their chemical composition, metabolic activity and physiological character. In the exponential phase, bacterial cells are uniform in chemical composition, metabolic activity and physiological characters. Therefore, culture of this phase is used for subculturing inoculation in the microbial experimentation. This phase is important because we can use this culture or this bacterial suspension for inoculation or subculturing for experiments. This is the ideal stage to study metabolic activity of the bacterium because we already see all the cells are uniform in metabolic activities. Third is the stationary phase. By this time, the essential nutrients of the medium get depleted and some toxic substances produced by the organism leads to slow down the cell division. For example, some beneficial microbes are produce acids at the time of stationary phase because their food is divided into 3 parts. First one is carbon source, protein source and micronutrient. Then first carbon source and protein source is finish during the lag phase and log phase. Lag phase they use for their growth, cell elongation only readily available sugar, that is carbon source. Then in the case of log phase, they use protein source, means beef extract, yeast extract, meat extract they can use for their cell multiplication. And at the time of stationary phase, they used only micronutrients and produced some substances, toxic substances like acids to leads to slow down the cell division. At this time, no net increase or decrease of cells in the medium occurs. That time, when they are eating micronutrients only, because carbon source and protein source already finish in lag and log phase, only micronutrients are there in the medium. When they are use micronutrients, there is no net increase or decrease of cells, because cell become only a active or resting stage. This stage is called as stationary phase. During this stage, cell division rate and cell death rate is uniform. Death due to low nutrient content, pH, waste, reduced oxygen occurs. Cells are very small and having low number of ribosomes. Some cases, cell do not die and the same time do not multiply. Some bacteria produce antibiotics at this stage as a secondary metabolites for competitions. Bacterial culture attains this phase when there is depletion of essential nutrients or accumulation of inhibitory product like acids. In this phase, the rate of cell division is higher than the rate of multiplication. Cell division is higher than the cell rate of multiplication. Alter death or decline phase. There are very few viable cells left in the culture. Change in the media, change in the constituent medium. These are the factors responsible for our phases. Change in the pH of medium, change in the consistency of medium, change the moisture content of medium, aeration of liquid medium is changed, then temperature of incubation is changed, humidity during the incubation is changed. These all are the responsible for our ideal culture or ideal biofertilizer production. This topic is very important for your final exam. So, if any questions, you can ask me on group. Thank you so much for listening.